Y'all, today I'm going to show y'all how to do a DIY outdoor candelabra. This is just a faux brass, I don't think it's a real brass one, just a metal, heavy duty candle. You know, it's supposed to have regular candles in it. I'm going to spray paint it with this color here, and then after I spray paint it, I'm going to take these little cheap lights. These I think came from Dollar General. They were $2. The dollar store has some for $1. I just like these because they had the decorative end. Take them off the pole, and then I'm just going to go around and glue these into these spots like that. And then that will be outside, sitting on the table in my sitting area. And it makes a nice little, like having a lamp out there. So I've got this one to do. And by the way, I'm going to use the clear silicone, or you can do the liquid nails to do it with, to glue those lights in. Because if they just sit there, I mean, they will just sit there, but at least a bit of wind knocks them over. And hot glue does not hold up. I've got some out there now that I've done that I've got to redo with this glue because I used hot glue and it just didn't hold up. So I've got that one to do, and then I found this one, which is a heavy metal. I don't know that if it was real brass or anything, but I love the goose design. Same thing, I'm going to spray paint it and then glue those on it and set it on another table out there. So I'm probably not going to show you the actual gluing of it because I'm sure you know how to, painting of it, I'm sure you know how to spray paint. I buy these cheap from the Dollar Tree. It's like little plastic drop cloths. So I can just spread it out there, set these on it, spray paint them, let them dry for a few hours. I'll come back and then I'll glue those on it and show you. And then I'll try to, hopefully my camera will pick them up at night so I can show you what it looks like at night. So stay tuned. Okay, so I've got this spray painted now, and I'm going to glue these pieces on. I mean, this is just very simple to do. I'm just going to take, and I'm going to gob this stuff, I mean like all over it, and just stick it down. I don't care if it kind of leaks out, because it dries clear, you don't really see it, but I want it to be in there really good, so if I put a whole lot in there, it squishes in and kind of seals it off. Some of these might not sit completely flat. The little metal part in there is a little bent in some of them. And this glue you can get at any hardware. I actually think I picked this one up in a Dollar General store over in the hardware or home decor, I mean not home decor, like gardening section. But it's not very expensive. I can't remember exactly how much. I want to say, you know, $3, something like that. But anyhow, there's how that will work. And now you have a nice little chandelier that's solar powered, and I will have it sitting outside in a little sit-in area. I'll show you tonight, or hopefully it'll show up once it gets dark. You can kind of see it. I'm hoping my camera will pick up and show it. If it doesn't with the video, I'll try to do a picture and insert it at the end of this video if I can't get it to do the other way. But the other good thing about this one is portable, so I can actually bring it, let it charge out in the sun during the day, and then set it up on my back screen porch at night if I'm in there. I have some lights that are like up under the railing out there, but if I don't want quite that much light, I just want a little bit of glow, I can set one of these out there, or really just take it anywhere. The other kind of cool thing about these is if you had a power outage at night, and if you had these outside and they've been out charging all day, then at night you could bring them inside your house, and then you would have light in there if you know, if you had a power outage or for whatever reason you needed it. So that's a pretty good thing. I have some other ones that I do that are tall lamps. I believe I showed those on my video where I did the potting bench. I showed a couple of them, I believe, that were originally tall lamps. The thing is just finding something with a good heavy base so you don't have to worry about the wind blowing it over, and then it works perfect for that. And then if these go out, I mean, that glue can be the seal broken pretty. I mean, you put a little force on it and it'll break back off. So, you know, you could change these out. They make some really pretty little round lights that could go here. So, you know, you just use your imagination and do what you like. And this is kind of open here, so water will kind of gather down in there when it rains. I'll just take and turn it upside down, dump the water out when it's time. And, you know, probably a couple of years I'll have to repaint it. It's probably going to start rusting in some places that I didn't quite cover. But, you know, it's outside. It's just for decoration out there. But I hope y'all enjoyed this and y'all have a blessed day. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please do so and give me a thumbs up if you like this channel. You can also find me on Instagram under Crepe Myrtle Row, and I post pictures like this around my yard daily, you know, daily stuff. I mean, I don't post every day, but I try to take just everyday type pictures and post on there, so you get an idea of kind of what I've got going on. Sometimes before I even get a video made, I'll have some pictures made like that. But I hope y'all have a very blessed day. Bye. Alright, here it is at night, lit up. Get in here and show you. So it's pretty cool. I'll show you the other ones I have over here that were bigger ones that I was telling you about earlier. They're a little bit different color light, but that was one I had that's big in the middle, and then seeing it goes, it's a whole post. I have two of those, and then I have one on my front porch. But I like it because it puts just enough light out here to enjoy it.